Hello again. This is the James Bond Ultimate Collection by Corgi, which was released in 2002, and this particular model is based on a 1963 film From Russia with Love, which starred Sean Connery as James Bond, and it features the Chevrolet truck. And this is the item itself in the original box, as you can see. I believe it to be a 1/43 scale model. Well, it doesn't actually tell you that, but it is Corgi number TY06701. Okay, let's open the box and have a look inside. Okay, we removed it from the box, and here is the particular model. Beautiful looking vehicle. Paintwork is fabulous. Let's just have a quick look underneath. Oh, you can't see much under there because it's still attached to the internal packaging. Good view on the inside of the truck. There we are. This item is currently available on the Midas Touch website. If you click the link, you'll be able to find it online. I hope you've enjoyed.